It's about a 4-year build it took us to do. It's been fairly modified from front to back. Every panel's been massaged, lots of custom treatment. We call this one Phoenix, that's its name. The dash in the car is, for all intents and purposes, the original dash. We wrapped everything in a leather, smoothed it all out, got rid of some of the odds and ends, added the AC vents, and just kind of went for a little more sleek appearance and added the stitching and everything. But that's just a direct fit Chevelle unit. It's a very, like you said in the beginning, it's a simple car, but there's a lot of thought and a lot of time and effort that went into this. And it may look simple in some aspect, but this car was pretty much cut off from right here. We made the whole back of the trunk. All of these are handmade from scratch. We handmade the bumper. This was all handmade out of steel. Everything was 3D scanned and 3D printed, all the lenses and stuff, and then, two-toned again in a Cerakote against the red paint. When you're out driving it, it's obnoxious almost. So yeah, you get a lot of attention when you drive this car.
Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.